FA Smartables, be Smarties. Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Myself Fahim.
Today I am going to discuss investing in gold and silver. Introduction. If you're looking to diversify your investment portfolio or protect your wealth against economic uncertainty, gold and silver can be great options. In this video, we'll cover some key insights and tips from top books on gold and silver investing. Part 1. The ABCs of Gold Investing by Michael J. Kosares. Let's start with the book, The ABCs of Gold Investing, by Michael J. Kosares. This book provides a comprehensive overview of the gold market and the different ways you can invest in it. One of the key takeaways from this book is that gold is not just a commodity, but also a currency and a store of value. This means that gold can be a hedge against inflation and economic instability. Kosares also highlights that there are different ways to invest in gold, such as physical gold, gold ETFs, gold mining stocks, and gold futures. Each option has its advantages and disadvantages, and it's important to choose the one that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Part 2. The New Case for Gold by James Rickards. Another important book on gold investing is The New Case for Gold by James Rickards. This book argues that gold is essential for a diversified investment portfolio and that it can protect your wealth against currency devaluation and other risks. One of the key takeaways from this book is that gold is not just a hedge against inflation, but also a hedge against deflation. In times of deflation, when prices are falling and economic activity is slowing down, gold can preserve purchasing power and offer a haven for investors. Rickards also suggests that investors should allocate 10% to 15% of their portfolio to gold, depending on their risk tolerance and investment goals. Part 3. The Silver Manifesto by David Morgan and Chris Marchese. Moving on to silver, The Silver Manifesto, by David Morgan and Chris Marchese provides valuable insights on investing in this precious metal. Silver has many industrial uses, such as in electronics and solar panels, which can drive demand for silver and potentially increase its value. One of the key takeaways from this book is that silver can be a more volatile investment than gold, but it can also offer higher potential returns. Morgan and Marchese recommend investing in physical silver, such as silver coins and bars, rather than silver ETFs or futures. Part 4. The Ultimate Guide to Buying and Selling Gold and Silver in the 21st Century by Jeff Clark. If you're looking for practical advice on buying and selling gold and silver, The Ultimate Guide to Buying and Selling Gold and Silver in the 21st Century, by Jeff Clark can be a helpful resource. Clark covers topics such as the best places to buy and sell gold and silver, how to avoid common pitfalls, and how to store your precious metals. He also suggests that investors should have a long-term perspective when investing in gold and silver, as these metals can fluctuate in value in the short term. Part 5. The Handbook of Gold Exploration and Evaluation by Eoin H. Macdonald. Finally, if you're interested in investing in gold mining companies, The Handbook of Gold Exploration and Evaluation, by Eoin H. Macdonald can be a valuable guide. Macdonald covers the technical aspects of gold exploration and mining and provides insights on how to evaluate mining companies. He also highlights the risks involved in investing in mining companies, such as political. Overall summary. 1. The ABCs of Gold Investing by Michael J. Kosares. Gold is not just a commodity, but also a currency and a store of value. There are different ways to invest in gold, such as physical gold, gold ETFs, gold mining stocks, and gold futures. It's important to choose the option that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. 2. The New Case for Gold by James Rickards. Gold is essential for a diversified investment portfolio and can protect your wealth against currency devaluation and other risks. Gold is not just a hedge against inflation, but also a hedge against deflation. Investors should allocate 10% to 15% of their portfolio to gold, depending on their risk tolerance and investment goals. 3. The Silver Manifesto by David Morgan and Chris Marchese. Silver has many industrial uses and can offer higher potential returns than gold, but it can also be more volatile. It's recommended to invest in physical silver, such as silver coins and bars. 4. The Ultimate Guide to Buying and Selling Gold and Silver in the 21st Century by Jeff Clark. Investors should have a long-term perspective when investing in gold and silver. It's important to buy from reputable dealers and store your precious metals in a secure location. 5. The Handbook of Gold Exploration and Evaluation by Eoin H. Macdonald. Investing in gold mining companies can be risky, but can also offer potential rewards. It's important to understand the technical aspects of gold exploration and mining and evaluate mining companies carefully. Conclusion. I hope the video will be useful for investing in gold and silver. By combining the insights and tips from the books we've covered, The ABCs of Gold Investing, The New Case for Gold, The Silver Manifesto, The Ultimate Guide to Buying and Selling Gold and Silver in the 21st Century, and The Handbook of Gold Exploration and Evaluation, you can make informed decisions about investing in these precious metals.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon for the notification. If you really love this content, then please share this video to your friends and families. That's all. Thank you for listening.